Hi friends, welcome to our channel Suchetana Kala Kendra. Today we are drawing a still life drawing. Before drawing a still life, you should always know that what is a still life drawing. A still life drawing is the drawing of a still object or non-living thing. You can see that we have given a straight line. The straight line is given to keep the drawing or keep the thing in a balance, and the both sides should be same. Here we have given the straight line to keep the both sides of the jug in same length. Now we are starting the color. You can see we have given the background yellow because in a drawing we should always keep the background light to give the thing or the object a prominent look. We have given the curtain the violet color. In a drawing you should show the shadows and the highlights perfectly to give it a realistic look, because shadows and highlights are the important things in a color. Now I am starting the jug and I am showing you the curtain afterwards. Okay, so in the upper part and the lower part of the jug we have given the red color, and the side parts we have given the color, and the middle parts we have left to give the highlight. In the middle part of the jug we have given the blue color. We are mixing the colors with the white color. Now as I told you that I am showing you the curtain afterwards, you can see that I have done the curtains. I have given the shadow places dark blue, dark violet, and the light places white highlight. Now I am doing means I have done the jug. I have given the side parts of the jug the black color because I said you that we should always give the shadows perfectly. That's why I have given the black color. In the curtain you can see that we have given it the oily look, means the oil color look, by mixing it with a finger. But I will suggest you that you should always mix a color with a paper cone or a cloth, because mixing the color with a finger is very painful. I am giving the shadow with the color I have given with the black color. Suppose I have given the red color, so I am using the black and the red color to give the perfect shadow. In the side parts of the middle part of the jug, I have given to give the shade, I have given the blue color with the black color to give a perfect shadow. Here I am using a 10B pencil. You can also take 8B pencil, but 10B pencil is better for giving this type of shadows. In the middle part, we have given the white color for showing the highlight. Here the highlight is for the because where the always you can see where the light shows there is a light color and where is no light and where the light can't be reached, there is always black or there is always a blackish shadow. Now we are doing the handle. You should see carefully that how we are doing the handle, because it is also very important thing too, because we should always give a handle or a thing of 3D view, and handle is the most important thing of a 3D view. Our jug is completed, and now we are doing the glass. So for doing the glass, we have taken the black color, and now we will mix the color black color with white color, or you can also take grey. We are mixing the color with the 10B pencil, means we are giving the shade with the 10B pencil. We will make the 10B shade that we have given the shade with the paper cone. Now we are coming to the end of our video or the drawing. So at the last of the video we have given you the number. You can, if you have any problem or you want to ask something for of the drawing, so you can call us on any time. Our phone is open at any time for your calls. If you like our videos and if you feel that you have learned something from our drawing, please subscribe our channel and like our video. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग अ वीडियो। अगर आपको ड्राइंग में कोई भी प्रॉब्लेम हो आप हमारे दिए हुए नंबर में কল कीजिए। যদি তোমাদের ড্রয়িংটা নিয়ে কোনো কিছু প্রবলেম হয় তো আমাদের এই নম্বরে যোগাযোগ করো। I am saying you again that if you have any problem call us on this number.